Good morning, children. Hope you are doing well at your homes. And today I'm going to discuss the language structure exercises of this topic, unpleasant experiences. And what is here in this language structure exercise, you can see we will learn about formation of adverbs from adjectives. Means a word adjective would be given to you and you need to form an adverb, and we have read about adverbs in our grammar, and we know that generally adverb of manner, adverb is a word that works to add something to the meaning of the verb, and we form this adverb by adding ly, and most of the time they are formed by adding ly. Like you can see here you can see the words are given impulsive, and we add ly, impulsive, and we add ly, and it will become impulsively, and it will become adjective. In the same way, it is written there stern, 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 and we add ly, and it will become sternly. And in the same way, another word is there, that is what, angry, angry, and plus ly. But here some change you need to see. You can notice some changes there. Angry, the word was ending with y, and now while we add ly, then this y is converted to I. So in this way we can add simply this ly, keeping in mind that if y is at the end, we will change it into I, and then we add ly. So hope it is clear to you. Now in exercise 8 it is said add ly or ily to the adjectives given in the box to complete the following sentences. First you need to make adjectives, and then you need to fill in the suitable sentences given there. So first you say that we will add in quick ly, then it will become quickly. Perfect ly, then it will become perfectly. Beautiful ly, then beautifully. Careful ly, carefully. Sad ly, sadly. Happy, then ily. Y will be removed and HAPPY, happily. In the same way, lazy, LIZILY, lazily. And in the same way, easy, EASILY, easily. And in this way you can make it, but now you need to choose the correct word to fill in the blank. Now you see the first one, the hungry child looked at my ice cream. Then quickly, perfectly, beautifully, carefully, sadly, or happily, or lazily, or easily. If somebody is hungry, then what he will do? He will look at your ice cream, and if somebody is hungry, then it become sad. Somebody is hungry, then it becomes sad. So you can say it is sadly at my ice cream. And the hungry child looked sadly at my ice cream. Next, Prerna declared, I am the winner. So Prerna declared, I am the winner. Then so if somebody wins something, then become happy, isn't it? So happily would be the right answer here. Then Prerna happily declared, I am the winner. And the next one, number 3, you can see, if you see the number 3 there, what it is, she rubbed her eyes as she woke up. when somebody backs up, then he is lazy at that time, he is very slow at that time. You get up after sleep, so laziness comes. So this become lazily here. So she lazily rubbed her eyes as she woke up. And your reply states the cause of the fire. Your reply and perfectly states the cause of the fire. Fourth, perfectly would be there. The fire spread to the neighboring houses, and the fire spread, then it spreads quickly. Fire, when fire broke out, then it spreads quickly. So quickly would be the right answer here. The fire is quickly spread to the neighboring houses. And then number 6, he drove on the bumpy road. Bumpy road होगा तो आपको बहुत carefully drive करना पड़ेगा. So he rode carefully on the bumpy road. So 6 one will be the carefully. Now comes Rahul solved the problem in 10 seconds. Very quickly will come here, or something else will come here. Easily. Solve if somebody solve is very fast, it becomes easy. So it becomes easily here. So what would come here? Rahul solved the problem easily in 10 seconds. Okay, and in the same way, Radha sings beautifully. The last one remaining, beautifully. So if you first need to change the adverbs, and then you can place in the suitable sentences. Now another exercise B says the collective nouns. Collectives here, fill in the blanks with the indicated collectives. I think this is very easy for you. Stars, what is the collective noun for the number of stars? Galaxy, chain, or bunch. Everybody knows galaxy is the right answer there. Is there any problem? I don't think so. Galaxy. And of monkeys. What is the group of monkeys be called? Swarm of monkeys, team of monkeys, or troop of monkeys? Swarm is swarm of bees, and team is of players. Then it is troop is the right answer. Troop of monkeys. Next one, number 3, of pigeons. What is called a group of pigeons? Heap, flock, or pack? The package of wolves. Pack is of wolves, and heap is of that is of garbage, etc. But it would be flock. Flock would be the right answer there. Flock of pigeons. I hope it is clear to you. Now look at the next one. Grammatically we don't do, because we have a separate grammar book. Now this is the 4th sentence. You see the 4th sentence there. Of lions. What do we call to the group of lions? Everybody knows pride, crowd, flock. Crowd is a group of many people. Flock is a group of many words. So it's not like that. Pride is the right answer there. For the group of lions, what we say? Pride of lions. And then the next one, a pair of events, a chain of events, or choir of events. Choir we say choir of musicians hota hai. Singers of choir of singers. Many singers stand there on the choir. So this will not be there. So this would be series would be the right answer there. Series of events. What would be the right answer there? Series of events. Okay, and this herd is it is of cattle. So lines ke liye to pride is the right answer there. Okay, and if we say collectives of this galaxy, chain, bunch, and herd, galaxy would be the right answer here. And swarm, team, troop, soul is a group of fishes, so troop is the right answer here. And heap, flock, pack, and pride for the lion, pack for wolves, flock for birds. So pigeon is a bird, so flock would be the right answer here. So in this way, all answers are clear to you, I think. So you can easily Do that, and if you're in doubt, then you can ask. Thank you.